Hi everyone, today I'm going to give a presentation on the therapeutic potential of resveratrol against beta-amyloid protein aggregation in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. So, Alzheimer is a neurodegenerative in progress disease whose histopathological feature is the aberrant aggregation of beta-amyloid protein filaments around cholinergic neurons, causing synaptic dysfunction, and have as main symptoms a memory loss and dementia. So, the aggregation of beta-amyloid also acts as a cellular stressor, generating mitochondrial damage and also increase the amount of reactive species, which are cytotoxin, also cause cell death in neurons. However, some compounds derived from natural extracts such as galactine, quercetin, and resveratrol have antioxidant and neuroprotective potential against diseases such as Alzheimer's. And resveratrol is a polyphenol from the group of flavonoids found in grapes and very present in red wine with high inhibitory potential for amyloid protein aggregation and recovery from neuronal damage. So the objective is to present the therapeutic effects of resveratrol in the cytotoxic aggregates of A-beta in Alzheimer's disease. And for this review, we based on the data from studies available in scientific knowledge platforms such as PubMed, Google Scholar, and Lilacs. And in the results, we can see that neuronal cells treated with resveratrol and subsequently exposed to A-beta obtain a reduction in cell damage compared to those exposed only to A-beta, as we can see in the graphs. So data which are supported due to their ability to reduce intracellular calcium, since this is a potent inducer of mitochondrial damage and consequent apoptotic response. A response that is also significantly reduced in cell and animal models. In more clinical studies, it has been noted that these compounds are able to cross the blood-brain barrier and inhibit A-beta, in addition to reducing swelling in individuals with Alzheimer's disease, proving their antioxidant and neuroprotective potential. So what we can discuss about this? It is understood that resveratrol presents itself as a molecule that, besides being easily found and inexpensive, can not only prevent the A-beta protein aggregation, but also reduce a large part of the cytotoxic effects resulting from the aggregation. So resveratrol is able to disintegrate A-beta without causing damage to the brain, since it has no neurotoxicity. However, further studies are still needed to assess the direct influence of resveratrol in Alzheimer's disease. So what we can conclude is that even with resveratrol showing exciting results in vitro and in vivo, the lack of studies focused on the clinical part is still a pertinent barrier to the development of scientific drugs and specific drugs for the treatment of Alzheimer's that are based on this compound, despite being the target of many pharmaceutical industries and already be used as a supplement. So this is my presentation. So thank you, everybody. This is my email and my contact and the reference.